Our skin is an absolutely essential player in human health. It acts as a biological fortress, protecting us from the environment and blocking harmful invaders such as pathogens. What may be surprising, however, is that it's also home to millions of microscopic living organisms, collectively known as the skin microbiome. I like to think of the microbiome as a microscopic ecosystem, tiny microbes interacting with each other, with the skin, and with the nutrients that they need to flourish. So why am I talking about the skin microbiome? Well, it turns out that a balanced microbiome is really important for healthy skin. In contrast, when the microbiome is in dysbiosis or out of balance, this can lead to skin disease. But what we don't yet fully understand is how this microscopic ecosystem works at a basic level. How do these microbes communicate with each other? What nutrients do they need, and how do they acquire them? One small shift to the microbiome's delicate balance can cause a major disruption, so understanding the interactions that keep these microbes in harmony is the focus of my research. Specifically, I'm interested in vitamin B12, which is a required nutrient by some microorganisms. In the Kaelin lab, I'm studying B12's role in keeping the microbiome in a balanced state. I've identified that many bacteria on the skin need B12 to grow, but there's only a select few that are able to make the vitamin themselves. So this suggests that B12 is a hot commodity in the skin microbiome, shared between these different microorganisms. So what happens if B12 is taken away? Does the microbiome become unbalanced? I hope to answer these questions using different methods. So previously, I've used genome analysis to look at the DNA of these microbes and see exactly which ones encode for B12 use in production. I'm also able to grow these microbes in a test tube and see how they grow under different conditions, such as when B12 is present or if it's absent. And in the future, I'm planning to use a live human skin model with microbes growing on it, just like our actual skin, to study B12 in an almost lifelike system. So by understanding which nutrients are needed and exchanged by skin microorganisms, we can develop tools to target and shift the microbiome towards a more healthy state, such as those who may have a skin disease. In all, a healthy microbiome is important for healthy skin, and ultimately healthy skin is important for human health.